This 2016 Audi S7 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 2016 Audi S7 $93,395 MSRP, new optional equipment 21 and QUOT, black optic package $2,700, 5-arm rotor wheels with titanium matte finish, exterior mirrors and body color high gloss black package, driver assistance package $2,450, Audi adaptive cruise control with stop and go, Audi FreeSense Plus, Audi active lane assist, corner view camera assistant, high beam assistant, comfort seating package $1,950, individual contour, front seats, balcony leather seats, ventilation and amp massage functions for front seats, layered aluminum, black wood inlays, $1,100, standard equipment 4.0 V8 engine, 450 horsepower, 406 lb-ft of torque, 7-speed S-tronic transmission, soft closed doors, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation system, rear view camera, front parking assist, rear parking assist, heated front seat, spooled front seats, memory front seat, heated rear seat, steering column mounted gear shift paddles, power rear trunk opener, keyless and tri-keyless start, heated exterior mirrors, automatic power windows, power folding mirrors, Daytona gray pearl effect exterior. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.